Michel, one question. I mean, Michel Martelly, excuse me.
Il veut parler
you were one of the first entertainers to really connect with the population. You know, you were the first guys to see this Jazz. You had the people with you at one point, and then you got involved in GNB. Do you think that hurt you now?
Not at all. I'm pretty much the only candidate who's getting into the ghetto right now. And where I go, I don't see other pictures. I don't see other pictures. And you have to understand that when I stepped and criticized Lavalas, I did criticize the leader. Because parallelly, I was still doing my work with the people. Lavalas was not the people. Lavalas, the movement is the movement of the people. But I was criticizing the leader who was supposed to be a priest and who was sponsoring the supplice du collier. I was against that. And I'm still against it. And he was supposed to be working for the people, that guy, that president. So have I. I've been working for the people. And that's why my cousin Richard Ram and myself were teaming up now. We have realized that he was following the Lavalas movement, helping the poor. I always stood on my own, calling myself a de facto, but I also work with and for the poor. Now we're just deciding that both system, or whatever you want to call them, have failed. So now we're teaming up to continue the work that we've been doing. We were never against the people. We were against the principle.